Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, welcome. My name is Claire. I have got a feelunique pick and mix sample service for March for you. And this is what it looks like. I've just ripped my address label off here. But if you're new to feelunique, the sample service that is, I will just give you a quick lowdown about what it's all about. But if you've seen it all before and you just want to flick forward to seeing the actual contents I chose, then I will add a timestamp down below, so you're free to flick forward. So feelunique then. Feelunique is a massive beauty website that sells everything beauty related, but they also have a sample service. It's called Pick and Mix, and it can be found if you type in the search bar at the top of the page Pick and Mix, and it'll come up. And you can choose up to 5 samples once per month for £3.95, and that includes postage and packaging. After you've had your items delivered to you, you'll get an email to say that you have £3.95 credited on your account to use against any beauty related purchases that you make. Unfortunately, you can't use it against another Pick and Mix box, but you can use it towards makeup, skincare, hair care, etc. And you can accumulate those £3.95s for about 3 or 4 months, I think. So you do end up saving a little bit of money. So essentially this is a freebie. So there's no set days or dates when they release their products onto their website. It changes, it varies. Some months are better than others. I've had some amazing samples in the past, and I mean samples that are quite large, that are worth quite a lot of money. I've read like Benefit Goof Proof, the pencil, the mini that you can buy for £10. I've had one of those. So there has been quite a good selection of samples over the last year or two that I've been doing this. So it's definitely worth checking out. No subscription, you just go online. If you see something and you like it, then you buy it. So no commitment, nothing. It's worth doing to try before you buy, definitely. So let's see what I chose this month. So obviously I chose 5. You can choose up to 5, but yeah, I'm going to choose 5. So the first item I chose is a bath and shower gel. This is by Noble Isle, and this is Willow Song, and it's Lavender Walk. So I saw this and I thought this would be quite a nice size to pop in like a weekend bag, or if I'm going away for the night or something, because it's 30ml, so I thought that'd be quite nice. Haven't heard of this brand before, never tried anything, and I can't open it. Just want to sniff. I want to sniff. That is gorgeous. That is gorgeous. It's definitely like a perfume type smell. Willow Song. So, oh, that is lovely. That is really, really lovely. So that's the first sample I chose. Next, I got a sleep spray. Now, I've had this loads of times and I really like it. It's Sleep Plus Pillow Spray by This Works, and this is a 5ml little spray bottle here. This lasts ages. Ages and ages. So 5ml, you think, nah, it's not much, but it does last. So it's just a little spray. So you spray it. I spray it on my pillows at night and on the duvet, and yeah, it's supposed to aid relaxation and help you have a better sleep. So is there any information extra on here? Shake well and spray onto bed linen. No, that's all the information there, so no, got that. Next I got something quite exciting. I can't wait to try this. It is First Aid Beauty, and this is a Repair Ultra Tint Cream, broad spectrum SPF 30, natural luminous finish. So that's the outer packaging. And I think these came in different shades. I've got fair, light, medium, tan and rich. I think I've opted for fair. No, it doesn't tell me, but I think it is fair because it just shows me there. That's the fair is highlighted there. So this is a 7.5ml, so a really, really good size to try. Really good size to try to see if you like it, not just once, but a couple of times. So if it is something I like, then I'll definitely will be going out and buying it. And I like the fact that it's got a high SPF as well. And yeah, a tint cream, so a lighter version of like a foundation, which I tend to wear in the summertime. Clinically proven to provide 12 hours of hydration, reduce the look of redness, pores, uneven skin tone and other imperfections, protects skin with broad spectrum SPF 30 and non-comedogenic, if I said that right. So that's that item there. Then I went for a La Roche-Posay, which is another SPF cream, and this is the Anthelios XL non-perfume fluid, and this is 50 plus SPF. It doesn't really tell me what it is, but I'm assuming it's again similar to the First Aid Beauty product in that it's a tinted fluid that has SPF 50 plus. So that's what that looks like there, and this is 3ml. No, it's not tinted. It's not tinted. It's just a SPF lotion. So I remember now. because it doesn't come with information, and because I ordered these a while ago, I keep forgetting, but no, I think I chose this because I wanted to see what it was like on top of my skincare. So the last step in my skincare is moisturiser, and then I usually put like a primer or a foundation with an SPF on in it as well. So I wanted to see what this is like on top of my moisturiser and underneath a foundation, because having a nice SPF is vital, and a high one is vital as well, but also having one that mixes well with the other products, you know, underneath and on top. It is, you know, you need that to happen, you need it to be good. So I thought I would try that. So yeah, I thought it was a tinted one, but it's not, never mind. And so the last item is Saint Tropez. No, it's not. No, it's not. It's St. Moritz. And this is a Golden Glow Tanning Moisturiser. So this is 30ml, and it's everyday body lotion for a natural golden glow. So this is gradual. So it's a bigger pouch, so a nice sample size, although not that great if you're planning on doing an arm maybe, or one leg. I don't know, for Instagram, if there's something in particular, I don't know. But I was thinking, okay, I'm going to give it a try. I love their suntan lotions. They're like £6, and I get the mousse, and I love it. It gives me a nice deep tan. I haven't tried the Golden Glow Tanning Moisturiser, not that I can think of anyway. So I thought, oh, do you know what? I'm just going to do it on like my face and my shoulders and see what that is like there. It says if you're looking for a soft, natural golden glow, St. Moritz Golden Glow Tanning Moisturiser is perfect for you. Specially formulated with aloe vera and vitamin E to leave your skin soft and looking beautiful. Ideal for beginners or experienced tanners. And then it just goes on to telling you exactly what you do and how you apply it. So my samples for this month then is there's a Beauty First Aid, there's Sun Protection Tint CC type cream. It's called Ultra Repair Tint Cream. The St. Moritz Gradual Tan Lotion. I've got a Noble Isle, it's a bath and shower gel. I've got This Works pillow spray, and I got a La Roche-Posay, and it's a SPF lotion there. Really, really chuffed with them. Can't wait to try this one. I think this one is going to be the most exciting thing for me, to see what it's like on my skin. And yeah, so those are those. As always, I'd love to know your thoughts. Do you get the pick and mix sample service? Have you picked up some amazing ones this month? Have I missed some? If ever you spot any great samples, please let me know. I've got a Facebook page, and any deals or anything interesting like that, I will post up to show everybody on my Facebook page. It's the same name as my channel, just Diary of a Beauty Geek. So if you're not already following, you're welcome to. But yeah, so thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed. If you did, it'd be lovely if you give me a big thumbs up. And if you haven't done so already, please subscribe to my channel for lots more videos to come. So take care, and I'll speak soon. Bye.